XT here, releasing the final workout of our upcoming competition. I'm Coach Jenna and Coach Keith again, your head judges for the event. Now this last event is called Harry and Marv. With this, you're aiming for cumulative weight over 4 rounds. Now partner 1, your work is going to be a hang clean, and then shoulder to overhead. Partner 2, your work is going to be a hang snatch, a snatch, and then an overhead squat. Now this is for our RX and our Masters divisions. For our scale division, we are not going to have that shoulder to overhead or that overhead squat in the movement. Now with this, you have 4 2-minute windows to complete your work in. If you fail your lift in that 2-minute window, you have that full 2 minutes to attempt it again. Now with this, you can reattempt, but it must be completed within the window, just like I said. 2 bars per team and 1 lift at a time. So if partner 1 is lifting, partner 2, you're gonna have to stand fast. We're gonna share that platform, but it's gonna be 2 bars, separate movements for each. Now, once you add weight to your bar, that is your weight for the remainder of the event. So be smart about adding weight, because once it goes off, or once it goes on, it's not coming back off. Here we go, guys. We'll bring it to you with a little bit of a demonstration for the movements. All right, guys, so the first complex that we're going to talk about is that clean complex for partner 1. Now, to start, you are going to need to stand that bar up to that full extension at the top. From here, anywhere between the top of your hips and the top of your knees is going to constitute that hang clean. Here we go, Coach. And stand it all the way up. From here, that bar is coming back down to the ground, and you're doing a full clean movement. And stand it all the way up. And then from here, we have that shoulder to overhead, any variation. And stand it all the way up. This is a complete complex. Now, you will note that Coach Keith gave us the power clean version, so a power hang clean, power clean, and then that jerk motion to get overhead. Those are all okay. We'll review some other variations here in just a second. And here we go with partner 2's work. Now, same thing here. We're going to pick that bar up from the ground and stand to full extension. Now, when we stand to full extension, from here, we're going into a hang snatch. Anywhere from the top of the hips to the top of the knees, and snatch. Stand to full extension. Next rep's going to come from the ground, so you can do that touch and go. Stand to full extension, and then an overhead squat. Hips below the knees and stand to full extension, and that is your complex for this portion. As you noticed again, we did that hang power snatch and that power snatch, but clean and split versions are authorized. We'll show you what those look like here in just a second. Guys, so we're going to give you a little bit of an example of what some of the other variations look like. Now remember, with this, we're going to stand to that full extension before we go to hang, and Coach Keith is going to show us what a clean with the squat variation looks like. So that hang, squat, clean, stand to full extension. Now all of these are going to be touch and go, so touch, squat, clean, stand to full extension, and then our shoulder to overhead, push jerk, stand to full extension. All right, guys, here's our final variation for our lifts. We are actually going to be doing a split snatch for you. But again, for that first rep, we're standing to full extension, nice open hip, and then that hang split snatch, and stand it up. And then again, touch and go. Snatch, stand it up, and then still an overhead squat. All right, guys, that's our final workout. Thank you for hanging in there with us, and we look forward to seeing you at this December's